In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the month-over-month difference as a percentage in Tableau. If you're looking to analyze your data more deeply and effectively communicate trends, understanding these differences can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. To begin, launch the Tableau application. If it's the first time you're opening it or you're new, make sure you have everything set up with your data already accessible within Tableau. It should be connected and ready to explore. Once you have the app open, you'll want to access your worksheet. This is where you'll be doing most of the work today. Make sure you're on the right sheet where your relevant data is located because that's where we'll apply our calculations. Now look over to your dimensions. From here, drag the order date onto your column shelf. This action lays the basic timeline structure for your data visualization, essential for tracking changes over time. Once that is done, click on the plus icon to expand this field, adding both quarter and month to your visualization. Right after that, you'll want to simplify this to focus on the information essential for this analysis. Go ahead and remove the quarter field so that you're left with just the year and month displayed. This helps in zooming directly into month-over-month analysis without unnecessary clutter. Moving forward, look to your measures. Drag the profit measure over to the marks field. Once you've done this, place it specifically on label. This will ensure that the profit values are clearly displayed on your visualization. These figures are going to serve as the foundation for calculating the differences and provide clarity on the variations, which is crucial for understanding the growth or decline patterns. Next, navigate to the drop-down menu tied to the profit measure. Click on it, and from the options that appear, choose Quick Table Calculation. Once you click, select Year-over-Year Growth. Although it seems like we're focusing on year-to-year initially, bear with me as it sets up the logic we'll pivot to months shortly. Right after setting the year-over-year growth, click on the drop-down menu again for the profit measure. This time, select Edit Table Calculation. In this dialog, you have control over how Tableau views and manipulates your data. Look for the section that says At the Level. Within this section, you'll select Month of Order Date. This selection redirects the focus from a yearly growth perspective to month-over-month, providing exactly the granular detail we're seeking. And there you have it. Within a few steps, you've now configured Tableau to showcase month-over-month differences as a percentage. This setup will offer you clear insights into the subtle fluctuations from one month to the next, empowering your analysis and helping you communicate these changes effectively.